To start this video, we're going to jump straight into my video analytics because I want to show you, or I need to show you how I come up with, or when I see these types of videos, because I'm doing research based on what YouTube tells me about you guys, my audience, I'm able to see what you're interested in, what you're watching. And if I scroll down, you can see here what your audience watches. $1,000 a day, laziest side hustle to make passive income using AI to make money online in 2023 from a channel called AI Money Maniac. Now I'm going to be brutally honest at this point, and I have no idea what this guy does or if he's able to make $1,000 a day doing this, but I'm going to tell you right now, this is not going to work, and you wasted 20 minutes of your life by watching that video if you were one of the unfortunate few in my audience that actually watched that before you saw this video.
If you watch through this entire video, you will see step by step and just follow my formula on how to set this machine up using the power of ChatGPT. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to start generating over $1,000 every day in passive income. So let's jump straight in. I can't wait to show you how this works. All right, guys, so follow me closely on all of these steps and you will have this machine built in no time. So the first thing you got to do is go to a website called sites.google.com.
So to generate passive income, the big idea here is to create a website, which means creating content, which is not passive at all. And then going to google.sites.com, I'm going to assume, and I think what we're going to see next is, or we're going to hear about how this is free, so you don't need to pay for web hosting. But let's keep watching and see what's next.
We'll then get to a page like this. Now what we want to do is see what is trending right now in the US. And you can do this for any country. And the number one trend at the moment with 50,000 searches is brains. That's for today, and it is still pretty early. So I'm going to see what was trending yesterday. And the top three that we can see is the blonde door.
So next up is not a bad tip at all, actually, is to go to Google Trends. I've talked about, and everyone that I know that does internet marketing, looks at or uses Google Trends because that's what the tool is for, to see what is popular, see what people are searching for. The big idea there as a marketer is to channel desire, not create it. You can see the things that are popular, and then you want to create content if you are in that niche or that is what you want to do. But there's nothing passive about going and looking for trending content or things that are trending on the internet right now and then creating content. That is not going to be passive. That is going to be something that you're going to need to do and show up to do every day because it is trending content and you are attempting to ride the wave of that trend. So at this point, we haven't seen really bad ideas, or the idea of this hasn't gotten bad except for the fact that there's nothing passive about anything that we've seen so far, because we're going to have to be creating content and we're going to have to be creating fresh and new content to keep up with the current trends.
And now this plugin is called Web ChatGPT. So before you go into ChatGPT, just make sure that you install the Web ChatGPT plugin. Highly recommended. What this gives you is real-time web access as well as the one-click prompts. Now, what is a one-click prompt? These are prompts that have been engineered and provided to the public through this extension for free. So you can, as an example, have a SEO optimized article written with 100% unique writing style. And so for this business, we are going to click on this one, right?
So at this point, we're seeing a recommendation for a Google Chrome plugin. I believe this is to get around or to give you a free aspect of using ChatGPT without having to use ChatGPT Plus to get access to the internet. That's what he's showing you. That's sort of the idea, the thought, and the concept here is, again, not really bad advice, but nothing passive about going to ChatGPT and creating articles or creating SEO articles that are going to be unique or try to be or look like they have been written by humans. But this is going to start breaking down here when you actually see the traffic source, because you're not going to get any SEO rankings from creating articles using ChatGPT and then putting them on a free Google site. If you were going to attempt to create content like that, you would need to use something that's going to actually rank on Google, which would be Quora or Medium or Reddit, somewhere where you can create or users generate content, and then Google gives that priority and actually ranks that content inside of the search engine.
Free traffic right? So we need hundreds, even thousands of people to read this, because then it's a game of numbers.
Oh, yes. It is a game of numbers, of course. Marketing and sales is all about numbers. You need to get eyeballs. You need to get people to see your content, and then you need to get people to click on it. So again, this is where this is going to start breaking down. At the end of this video, after you spent 20 minutes or about 19 or 18 minutes of your time, you're going to realize what the traffic source is. Then you're going to see that passive is completely out the window. So we'll keep watching to see where the offers are going to come from, because that's going to get interesting as well. And we're going to take a look at what he is showing you. And then really the entire point of this, because you're my audience and I'm looking to see what it is you watch, I want to try to break this down for you so you're realistic in the aspect of $1,000 a day, laziest side hustle to passive income using AI. When you go back and you look at this video and you look at what is being recommended, first, there is nothing passive about it. And second, it is lazy, but it's not lazy in the instance or in the way that he meant the title to be, or to grab your attention, that you can be lazy or not do much work. This is lazy because it requires you to do a lot of work and put in a lot of effort, but it's lazy marketing. It's lazy content creation. It's a lazy attempt at thinking you're going to earn money for doing nothing.
We need a few people out of 100 that read the article to click on your affiliate link and then perform an action so that you can cash out. So I'm going to show you how to do all of this, but first we need to move to our website where we can get our very nice affiliate links. So let's move there. So now we need to type into our search bar CPA Lead, and you can then click onto the first option that comes up. Now, if you haven't heard of CPA Lead, it's a very
interesting website that allows you to become an affiliate or to promote products that are offers for people to download and install apps and then take an action. CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. And it's the idea of you are going to put your link out there. People are going to see it. They're going to download an app, and then you're going to get paid for them taking an action. So they don't actually have to buy anything. They can literally just download the app and then spend a certain amount of time on the app. All this is built into the prospect of getting paid for them taking the action, and them taking the action to meet or satisfy the requirements on the CPA Lead site. Now, it's always presented that these are, all you have to do is get someone to click, but really that's not the case. You have to get them to take an action. Usually and typically it's to download the app and then spend a certain amount of time, or even spend money and or get a certain amount of credits. And at the end of the day, when you take a look at some of these offers, and you're going to see here later in this video, you're going to see the offers. And unless you go and investigate the offers, just like in anything as an affiliate marketer or as a marketer or as a person that makes a recommendation, and that's what your content is doing here, you're going to create content, and in that content, you're going to make a recommendation for them to go and download an app. You want it to be legit, and you need to test it. You need to look, you need to verify. And that is not what is happening at all in this video that's showing you $1,000 away, or is showing you how to potentially or possibly or hopefully or very, very wishful thinking, almost looking for a miracle to make $1,000 a day doing this lazy side hustle using AI. So let's keep watching.
Just to ensure that it all looks pretty. But then what we are going to do is, in between every article, we're going to put a nice link which says get free cash here. And so what you'll do is you will highlight this and then click on the insert link over here. We will then go back to our CPA Lead dashboard, copy our affiliate link, go back to the article over here, and then paste in the link and apply. And you will see, this is what it will look like when someone reads your blog. They'll be reading, and then every now and then it says, get free cash here. I'm going to put an exclamation mark. Just say, it's free cash.
It's free cash! Exclamation mark! Exclamation point! Who doesn't love free cash? You're sharing an article, or you've had AI create an article based upon the trend of this soccer award thing or something to do with soccer. And then you have created this article using AI, and now you posted it on your free blog. And then after every few paragraphs, the idea or the concept here is to write "get free cash" with an exclamation point and then have someone click on it. So that's not even congruent. It's incongruent. There's no cohesion there. You're going to get people over to this article that's trending about this big soccer thing, and then you're just going to spam in your own content, "get free cash," exclamation point, and hope. Remember, it's a numbers game. You're going to hope that the thousands of people that see this free article that you've created with AI, you're hoping that 100 of them, or a very, very high percentage of them, click the link to get free cash, then see the actual offer to get free cash, which is to download an app, then click to download the app, and then take the action to actually earn the money that you want to try to earn based upon the requirements of the CPA offer that you got from CPA Lead. Let's keep going.
All they must do is sign up and do a survey, and you will get $7. Again, we will now start to do more segmentation in terms of the articles. And not all the time, but every now and then you can then write "get free cash" here.
I think I'm going to do it here. So "get free cash" here. So you need to do it at least 4 times in your article just to get the point across that there is free cash available for someone. And it's quite a cool affiliate offer, actually, because I think a lot of people...
Who doesn't want free cash, right? I'm not sure if they actually get free cash, but it must be some sort of like lottery type thing. Again, I'm going to put it here.
So "get free cash."
Get free cash. Hey, I'm not sure if they'll actually get the money for clicking and downloading the app and doing the survey. I don't even know what it is. All I know is I'm going to put "get free cash" in this article because this is the lazy way to $1,000 a day. I think you can really see this is really starting to break down, but it hasn't gotten as good as you probably, or if you haven't seen the video already, it hasn't gotten as good as it's going to get just yet. Let's keep watching.
Find our relevant traffic over here. So we can search groups. Now, Ballon d'Or is related to football awards. So we want to find groups that are popular for football. So I'm going to type in football into groups. And here you can join multiple groups. We've got All Football, Soccer Zone, World of Football. Now, the groups that we need to join are groups that are very high in members and also are open to the public. What we're going to do is create a post, a public post, and we will say,
"Hey there, look at, hey there, have you guys seen this article? It's a really cool article
on Ballon d'Or celebrating on Ballon d'Or 2023, celebrating football's finest." And then what we're going to do is we will do a colon, and we are going to paste in our link to the website.
Hey there! Exclamation point. I told you it was going to get better. Now we are moving on to the traffic, free traffic. We got a free website. We figured out how to get free content from ChatGPT. We found a great CPA offer that we don't know if it actually pays out or where the money comes from. But hey, get free cash, exclamation point. Now let's go over, find some public Facebook groups about soccer or football, slap in our link, hope that thousands of people click that link, read our article, and while they're enjoying our fantastic article that we've created, that we spent so much time and so much effort in, see a link with an exclamation point that says "get free cash," click it, do the action, and then we earn $7. Remember, it's a numbers game, and these are public Facebook groups, so we're going to create passive income by actively spamming our free site that we put together with AI content to generate enough numbers to get to $1,000 a day from a $7 CPA offer. Let's keep watching. It's going to get better.
Type football Ballon d'Or. There we go. And we will type that in. Now what we need to do is look for a video that has millions of views. So I am looking for something, I guess these top two, 2.6 million views and 1.4 million views. So we will click on that one. So once we're in the Blonde or news, we can then type in the comments here.
Wow, this article is really good, colon, and then we paste in our article over here.
And so with, 2.6 million views, not everyone will see your comment, but you're going to get a good number of impressions viewing your comment.
Fantastic time for some more free traffic. So we tapped into Facebook public groups, spamming our links there. Now we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to add our link into the comments and potentially get millions of views on our link. But there's a big problem. Let's go back to my channel dashboard. Remember, we started here inside of analytics. Now let's go under settings and let me show you exactly why this is not going to work. Once my settings come up, I'm going to go under community. Community, that's you folks out there, everyone on YouTube that is checking out my content and potentially wants to add a comment. And I do appreciate and I sincerely thank you for any and all comments that you leave, but I am not going to let you put any links. Yes, I have checked block links, which allows you to not put links to your content where you're going to create useful, helpful content using AI and then try to spam my content on my channel. And I can guarantee you that other channels out there are doing the exact same thing, especially channels that are getting 2 million views per video on something as popular as a trending thing, and then knowing that people are going to make terrible videos giving horrible advice, like the advice that you saw in that video about earning or potentially how to earn $1,000 a day the lazy way using AI to generate passive income. None of these strategies are going to work. Don't waste your time. If you're going to put that much time and effort into creating content, and yeah, it's fine using AI. I'll leave a link in the description as well as put a card up here to how I created an AI blog that actually just keeps generating traffic for me. But I put the time and the effort in to create the content, look at the content, edit the content, and make sure that I am doing it in a way that will actually go out and start generating me passive income by actually preparing the content or building the content out to get ranked by Google by providing content that is informative and helpful to the point of it's actually going to generate people's interest. When they click it, they're going to read it. They're going to be able to find out real information. So if you're going to use AI to help you generate helpful content, build your own website, build your own YouTube channel, actually help people. Don't try to come up with these ways, these hacks, these lazy passive income ideas where you generate a piece of content and then you lazily slap in a link, get free money, exclamation point. It ain't going to work. It's not worth your time. Just please stop. Dedicate the time. Focus on something that's actually going to be able to build you a real profitable online business. If you have any questions or you need any help, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, we had a little bit of fun here, but ultimately I want you to understand that watching these types of videos and seeing these strategies, they don't work. The people that make those videos, they aren't doing that. So don't waste your time. Don't waste your money, your energy, your effort. Put it into a real proven strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.